from Wow Magic. Never stop trying until you gain it. Right? Yes. Now we are discussing about how to grow a plant along with their plant parts. Are you ready with me, Tigran? Come on. First of all, we have to select good soil or take good conditional plant pots. Okay, soil gives good nutritive value to a plant. Next, we have to select good seed which may put into soil. The roots may grow slowly downward, and the stem comes outward, and it may contain leaves too. Some may grow little small flowers, and it turns into fruits. Okay, now plant parts. These are roots. This is stem. These are branches. And this one is leaves. And flowers. Next, fruits. Growing our garden is a good habit. And also a plant needs sunlight, water. That's it. Plant parts, roots, fruits, flowers, stem, leaf, branches. These are plant. You can see more interesting videos in Wow Magic.